Hey everybody, it's Ira Bowman. Thank you for considering joining the BYOB Summit with us May 28th through May 30th. We have 3 packages for you to consider. We have a single, a triple, and a 10-pack. Whichever pack you purchase, you are going to be allowed to choose that many courses to participate in live, and you'll get the recorded version afterwards as a reference tool. Beyond that, you'll also get to attend all the virtual networking events that we host during the summit, and you'll be included in membership to our new LinkedIn BYOB Summit group to support you after the summit is over. As a special bonus for those who sign up for the 10-pack, I am going to grant you a first level connection to me on LinkedIn to help support your social media efforts. So click the link in the video description below and sign up today.